frozen. They put in eye drops that freeze my eyes. Woo. And I'm going to show you products that are valuable, and we're going to talk about bundling them together in quantities of 2 or more so that you can sell them on Amazon for $15 to $20 or more. Alright guys, I'm headed into Dollar Tree. Haven't been in this Dollar Tree in a while, and when I go into the Dollar Trees, usually I just walk up and down the aisle looking for something that stands out, that has value, that shouldn't be sold for $1, that should be sold on Amazon for $15 to $20. So I'm gonna walk through and I'm gonna do a Instagram stories at the Dollar Tree, cost to you of $2.50, maybe $3 or around there. Pretty decent Canada hat, not too flimsy, not badly constructed. Always have without a battery, but that was just a quick walkthrough of the Dollar Tree and some of the products that you could find in this place that you could probably do something with. It does take effort and work to create a listing and do some of the little things that you require, but give it a shot. Make sure when you're in the store, you're scanning everything. If you're sourcing at Dollarama is for people who don't have a lot of money but want to start selling on Amazon with minimal money. Okay, it's a place where you probably can luck out, but it's not going to be the most consistent place to get your inventory, and it's going to require a little bit more skill set, because with some of those products in there, you're gonna have to bundle them together, and be creative with how you actually list your products. If you don't have a lot of money to start an Amazon business, but you wanna get started right away, use the Dollar Trees for their books. That would be my best advice for you. Books at Dollar Tree, as many as you can get to and as many as you can source, and then just ship your books into Amazon. You'll increase your cash flow really quickly with that method.